Managing prepayments correctly is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring a smooth sales process. In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, you can easily handle sales prepayments by setting up prepayment percentages, generating prepayment invoices, and tracking outstanding balances, all within the sales order workflow. To set up your prepayment percentages, you'll need to first make your way to your item card by clicking on Items on your Business Central home screen. Then, find the item that you want to apply prepayments to and open the card. Select Related from the Item Card menu. Then, choose Purchases from the drop-down and click on Purchase Prepayment Percentages to open the Purchase Prepayment Percentages card. Here, you can set the required prepayment percentage by vendor by selecting the correct vendor from the drop-down menu and entering the prepayment percentage in the field on the right. Alternatively, you can set a prepayment percentage on the purchase order. To access your purchase orders, click on the Purchasing drop-down and select Purchase Orders. Then, select the purchase order you want to apply a prepayment percentage to. Scroll down to the bottom of the card and find the Prepayment tab. Here, you can enter the prepayment percentage you want to apply to the entire purchase order amount. You can also set individual prepayment percentages by personalizing your lines. Start by clicking on the gear icon in the navigation menu. Then, select Personalize to open the personalization bar. Click on More to expand the personalization bar. Then, select Add Field and click on the section of the card where your line items appear to view the list of available fields on the right side of the screen. Scroll down and select Prepayment Percent to add the field. Be sure to click on the red triangle next to the new field. And select Show to finish adding the column to your line's view. To exit the personalization mode, click Done at the top of the screen. Your changes will automatically update. Scroll to the right to view the new column and enter the prepayment percent you want to apply to that line. Once the prepayment percentages are set on your purchase order, it's time to post the prepayment invoice. Click on Actions in the Purchase Order card menu. Then select Posting, Prepayment, and finally, Post Prepayment Invoice. It's important to note, once a prepayment invoice has been posted, you will need to create a credit if any changes are required. Click Yes in the pop-up to finish posting the prepayment invoice. Once the prepayment invoice is posted, you will notice that the status shows Pending Prepayment. You can view your posted prepayment invoices by selecting Order and then clicking on Prepayment Invoices from the Order menu. Generating a payment for a prepayment invoice is similar to generating a regular vendor payment. You will access the Vendor Ledger Entries list from the search bar and then select the prepayment invoice you want to apply payment to. Click on Create Payment. Then, enter the payment details starting with the document number. This should match the number on the entry you selected. Next, enter the bank account and choose the payment type. Then, click OK to submit the payment. The final purchase invoice will present with the description, Vendor Prepayments No Tax. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to invoice sales prepayments in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.